Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm here today with Riccardo Cavanna. He is Chairman of the Board at UCIMA, a very prestigious organization. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much, and thanks to all. It's a great honor to be here at Rockwell Studio today.
We're so excited to have you. We're here to talk about helping create a circular packaging economy. This is a fantastic topic, so I'm just going to start asking you questions.
Thanks.
All right, so to start off, what is the circular economy as it relates to packaging, and why is it so important now?
So, first of all, let me say I'm, as a chairman of UCIMA, the Italian Packaging Manufacturer Association. We feel the responsibility to deliver a better world for the next generation. I'm a father, I'm an entrepreneur, and of course, as a chairman of the Italian Packaging Association, we feel the responsibility to understand what could we do to have a better circular economy. Circular economy. Circular economy, I think, is the key point to avoid plastic ocean. It's not a matter just of plastic, of sustainable material, but it's a holistic vision. We need to let the circular economy running and to make available all the technology to make the circular economy run. Because if the circular economy run like Italy, my country, has demonstrated, we could achieve a great target of recycled material and avoiding waste of packaging. In Italy, we are able to recycle more than 76% of plastic and more 80% of carton. And it works because the circular economy works from the beginning, so from how the packaging material has developed up to the sorting, the recycling, and the reuse of the product.
That's a great kind of foundation for us to build our conversation around. When we talk about circular economy from a packaging perspective, how does this approach support sustainability goals for different companies?
You know, there is a four pillars: reduce packaging, reuse packaging, recycle packaging, and of course the last is the waste. So the packaging company, especially the packaging machinery company, could do a lot on these four pillars. First, reducing packaging material. Packaging is important for marketing, but we could support our customer to use less packaging in the primary, in the secondary, and the tertiary packaging. Therefore, we are working a lot to let the sustainable packaging material available and useful to guarantee shelf life, because never forget that packaging itself is already sustainable because we keep the food safe. And of course, let this new material available for the food and beverage and the pharmaceutical market, achieving the goals they have according with the marketing goals, so the shape, the packaging design, the shelf life, and the logistic.
Ricardo, how can automation and digital transformation encourage the development of a circular economy? How do you see automation technology and digitalization technologies making that happen?
Well, there is a lot of topics. Just make an example. Um, if we are able to guarantee a shelf life and to guarantee um, uh, how we are able to do a good packaging solution, a good package. And digitalization could give a lot of data, provide a lot of data, analyzing the situation. In the meantime, we are able to do the good packaging and to guarantee the consumer that all the process has been done in a proper way. Digitalization is a new business model. It's a very interesting model, and provide companies a lot of data available for better understanding the manufacturing processing, and guarantee also that the entire supply chain is sustainable.
Riccardo, help us understand, why is a life cycle assessment of current packaging solutions valuable when making these types of changes?
In my opinion, life cycle assessment is the most important scientific approach we need to use, not only on the packaging industry, but also at the government state. Um, the European Union has just promoted the packaging and packaging waste report to give the guideline for the packaging recycling for the next 10 years. On my opinion, it's very interesting guideline. It's a good approach, but we need to put more and more scientific approach, because LCA is a very nice way to calculate if the packaging recycling is going the right direction. What I mean, if we have to decide to follow the reuse or the recycle, LCEA is the best way to understand, to really calculate the effect on the climate change, because time to time reuse the packaging is not so effectiveness as much as the recycling. So, on my opinion, we need to find a common way to calculate the LCA and to work together. And digitalization is very important on that, because give us a lot of data to better calculate the life cycle assessment of every single packaging and every single product we deliver to the market.
What do you see as the future for packaging companies if they can successfully facilitate a circular economy?
Well, I think in the future, servitization will be more and more a new business model. Uh, we will be requested to provide pay-for-use packaging machineries, and is a kind of a Uber model. So um, I guess in the future, the market will request a kind of packaging machine provided by artificial intelligence, able to solve the problem and adapt the machine to the real situation, with a better and higher interface interaction with the operator, with the people around the machine, around the line, working on the packaging machinery.
That's a really interesting vision, Riccardo. I can't wait to see how that technology evolves in industry. Thank you so much for joining us in the studio today.
It's my pleasure.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about sustainable packaging solutions, industrial automation, and digital transformation, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.